Hey, hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can actually find the file location of your Minecraft game. Now it's a very easy process. I'm going to show you step by step, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is go into the Windows icon bar right here and type in the Minecraft launcher. Now what you probably will do is right click it and try to go into the file location from here. But this doesn't work. Now what you want to do, you want to simply open up the Minecraft launcher, and from out the launcher, let's wait till it opens up. Now, from out there, what you want to do, you want to go into the Java edition right here, and from out the Java edition, or any other edition what you want to see, is go to the installations, and here you see the latest version that has been downloaded. Now simply go into the little folder right next to it, and here it will open up the file location, as you can see. Now it's easy as that. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.